everyone, welcome to Doon Business School. My name is Richa and I will be taking you for a campus tour of Doon Business School. Let's explore! Every year a dynamic community of students join Doon Business School from 29 different states in 5 different countries, exploring new horizons with the amalgamation of industry and academics. This is the entrance lobby for Doon Business School. This is from where some of the highly illustrious alumni have walked in before and carved their way into success. This is the reception area for Doon Business School. I will now introduce you to the chairman of Doon Business School Group, Mr. Mohit Agarwal. He is a revolutionary educationist and shares an open door policy. You're always welcome to share your insights, your ideas with him. Hello sir, we're shooting live for Doon Business School. Would you like to say a few words for the incoming students?
Welcome to Doon Business School. The thoughts of Doon Business School is learning by empowering. When you would come to the campus, you would see most of your learning coming through participation in various club activities, in various associations, trips, excursions, outbound activities, industry visits. Of course, there will be learning in the class, and some of the best friendships for lifetime will be built with the future leaders of the world.
I will now show you the auditorium. This is a multi-purpose auditorium and it has a seating capacity of approximately 400 people. All the cultural events, national seminars, debates, all of these activities are organized here. So if you're a very good singer or if you're a very good debater, then this is your stage to own. Now we're headed towards the indoor sports complex. This is the table tennis area. This is more like a chill zone for the students. I see a lot of students interacting, having a chill time, just hanging around here, completing group assignments in this area. This is the indoor badminton court. It is a dual badminton court and has all the dimensions as per the international sports standards. Every day, daily practice sessions are held, and on weekly basis, tournaments are also held. Coaches, trained coaches come here on everyday basis. We are now heading towards the School of Agriculture and Allied Sciences. We have multiple labs for research as well as demonstration purpose. This is the Soil Sciences Laboratory, Forestry Lab for plant protection. Now we are heading towards the most buzzing area on the campus of Doon Business School. We are now entering the Mass Communication Department. This is the television and the news production studio. Students use this area for news programs, for filmmaking, photography, and in short, everything fancy. You can also use this for academic purposes, and if you want to be the next internet sensation, you can use this area and make the most out of your creativity. I will now show you the sound studio. This is the radio acoustic lab. You can use this for sound dubbings, for audio recordings. This was the sound recording lab. Now we are heading towards the video editing lab. This is the video editing lab. We're now heading towards the central library. This is the reading room. Now I'll show you the discussion rooms. These are used for brainstorming exercises and boardroom etiquettes. This is the view from the upper deck. I will now show you the view of the central library from the lower deck. This is the view from the lower deck of the central library. The central library is very well equipped with all the latest journals, newspapers, study material, research work material, and the best part about the digital library is that all the study material is available just on the tap of your phone or your laptops. We are now heading towards the administration block. This is the HR department. Going forward, this is again the administration department. We are now heading towards the cafeteria. I will now show you another seating area for students. These are the gazebo areas. So in between your classes, in between your assignments, you can always come here and have relaxed time. This area actually becomes like a promotional area for branded activities. I love these flowers, especially it adds a very good color to the campus. I am now heading towards the heart of Doon Business School. At the time of branded activities, this area is absolutely buzzing. There's a lot of activities happening on the campus, and this area is used for promotional events, and a lot of students have actually launched their brands on the campus as a part of the Manfest activity. This is the open air amphitheatre. All the activities related to Manfest, be it open mic, MUN, cultural fests, all the other activities are organized here. It also hosts really amazing fashion shows. On my left is the basketball court. I will now show you the academic block of Doon Business School Group. This will be your Karam Bhumi, in short, because you will be attending the classes here, all your assignments will be submitted here. These are very spacious classrooms, and all the classrooms are equipped with smart classes. So I'll now show you the classrooms on the first floor as well. Very well spacious, fully ventilated, very well lit as well. And there's a lot of space here for the faculties to move around while they teach. We're now at the center of the academic block. On the right side of me here is the staff room. This is the staff room area. I will now show you the 8-ball pool table. So I see a lot of students hanging around here when they have breaks in between their classes. This is the pool table for you, just to relax your mind in between the classes. Everything related to mark sheets, your exam related content, you'll be required to come here. Hello sir, hi. We're shooting live for Doon Business School. Thank you, have a great day. This is the IT lab on the ground floor. We have another IT lab on the first floor as well. Going forward, I will now show you the conference rooms. So this was the conference room. This is the auditorium. A lot of club activities are organized here. So for all your mock interviews, your GDs, your personality development activities, this is the place where you will come and interact with the faculties of the career development cell. And all the activities related to placements, trainings, all the football enthusiasts, all the freaks of football, this is something of your interest here. Right now I'm standing outside the academic block. We have the dance club and the singing and the music club here. Every day in the evening there are sessions, there are trained professionals who come here and teach the students on daily basis. So on the left side you can see these are the graffitis made by the students at the time of Manfest. We have Manfest happening every year, and graffiti is a very integral part of that event, graffiti painting. So walking through from here, we are heading towards the hostel area. These will be your residences for the period of time that you will be staying here on the campus of Doon Business School. I'm pretty sure you're very excited to see where you're going to stay. So we're now in the hostel. So this is the security system. Without the biometric, I'll not be allowed to enter. We've turned it off for now for demonstration purpose, and there's a biometric attendance here. Without the biometric attendance, you will not be allowed to enter inside the hostel. This is just to ensure the safety and security of the students. That is of utmost priority at Doon Business School. I will now show you the hostel rooms. So it's a 3-floor building which has the lift facility as well. So I'm now on the first floor of the hostel. I will show you the hostel rooms now. This is a common area for the students. I'll show you the rooms here. Let's come. So these are the dual seater rooms. These are the wardrobes, and here are the washrooms attached with it. We also have a common kitchenette area and inductions on each floor to make sure that you overcome your midnight hunger pangs. This is the common area on each floor of the hostel, very spacious. So these were the hostel rooms. I am pretty sure that you're very excited to see the hostel mess as well, because obviously food is very, very important. So we try to incorporate all the flavors of India, keeping in mind that we have students from all over India. This is the hostel mess. It's pretty spacious. So this was the hostel mess. I will now show you the medical emergency room. So this is the infirmary area, just in case you have any medical emergency. It is well equipped, and there are tie-ups that we have with the local hospitals as well. So this was the hostel, and just for your information, there are 3 girls hostels and 2 boys hostels on the campus itself to give you a home away from home, safe and secure and comfortable stay on the campus itself, because if you're staying happy inside the campus, then you're bound to excel in the academics as well. So standing in the middle of the campus of Doon Business School, this is on the first floor. We have the classes for the BCom program, and on the second floor we have the classes for the mass communication program. In the middle of the campus, on the back side here, we have the classes for School of Agriculture and Allied Sciences. So we are now in the mass communication department. This is where the classes for the mass communication students are held. So I'll just give you a brief about an event that happens for mass communication students. It is called Pratibimb. So there are various activities organized as a part of this particular fest. There's a journo activity, there's a point-to-point, D-Flix, voice box, Mediapedia, rolling action. So we also conduct media conclaves in that. Now I'll show you some photography work of our students as a part of the photography workshops that are held on weekly and monthly basis. So we take students to some of the topmost, really scenic locations in the outskirts of Dehradun. So this is a beautiful photography work of the students, as you can see here. Guest lectures and media conclaves are held on monthly basis. So this was a glimpse of the campus of Doon Business School Group. I am sure you'd love to come here and explore the campus on your own. You can make the most of this campus to excel in your academic career and use it as a stepping stone to have a brilliant corporate life ahead. Good luck. Thank you.